go ahead and put this wig on. So everything is packed away because I'm in the process of moving. So I'm going to go ahead and use this giant card to go ahead and dry my Got2b glue gel. Really cute. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my baby hairs. I'm going to just section off a little bit of the hair from the front of the frontal and go ahead and shave that down a little bit and go ahead and put in a little bit of baby hairs. I am going to use my tried and true Got2b glue gel. Y'all, I'm still learning about my baby hairs. Today I didn't feel like it really went the way I wanted it to go, but still I achieved an okay look. Okay, so right now I'm just going to use some mousse to go ahead and go in and slick down all of the curls and make them more defined. You see those curls popping? Oh yeah.